Installation. Click on Plugins. WooCommerce should be installed and activated. Click on Add New Plugin. Search for Asana Plugins or Badge and Product Label for WooCommerce. Click on Install Now and Activate. The Badge and Product Label for WooCommerce plugin allows you to create and customize various badges and labels for your WooCommerce products. Navigate to Product Badges. Add badge with percentage discount to products in the category. Click on Add New. Set a name for badge. Select label style. Change label color. Change border color. Change position with pixel. Add a shadow effect to the badge. Change width size. Change font weight to bold. Enable percentage discount amount. Navigate to Products tab. Select Categories. Select Clothing Accessories and Clothing T-shirts. Save your changes. Navigate to Settings tab. Disable negative sign. Save changes. Display badge in the accessories and t-shirts categories with the percentage discount amount for products that are on sale. A 10% discount badge added to the product image successfully. Add badge with percentage discount to all products. Click on Add New. Set a name for badge. Select label style. Change label color. Change border color. Change border width. Change position with pixel. Add a shadow effect to the badge. Enable percentage discount amount. Navigate to Products tab. Select all products. Save your changes. Display badge with the percentage discount amount for products that are on sale. A 11% discount badge added to the product image successfully. Add badge with percentage discount to on sale products. Click on Add New. Set a name for badge. Select label style. Change label color. Enable percentage discount amount. Navigate to Products tab. Select is on sale. Select Yes. Save your changes. Display badge with the percentage discount amount for products that are on sale. A 50% discount badge added to the product image successfully. Thanks for watching.